as a vegan. I've been vegan for almost 5 years. I feel like I have a lot of good, fun recipes now, so I'd love to share. I thought I'd start this morning. We actually don't have a lot in at the moment. We have to go for a food shop. I'm just like clearing the fridge, and then we'll hopefully go shopping in the next couple of days, and I'll show you what we get as well. Although for breakfast today, I'm just having some toast and a smoothie, I think, and we'll see what else I have for the rest of the day. So I've just got some toast with some of my favorite vegan cheese. It's the Applewood vegan smoked cheddar, I guess. Applewood vegan block. This one. It's so good. I'm gonna enjoy this and I'll see you later. Hello again, I'm in my bathroom because I just wanted to show some of the supplements that I take on a daily basis as a vegan. And I know it's a big myth about veganism that you're going to be deficient in a lot of vitamins. I actually just recently had a full blood panel done with my doctor, and I highly recommend doing this if it's accessible to you, because it really gives you a holistic view of all of your nutrients and vitamins, that getting a sense of what you might need to focus on, whether that's like implementing into your diet or supplementing. I just wanted to share what I'm taking. Obviously it would be different for everyone, so please talk to your doctor. So first up, every day I take this vegan multivitamin. It comes with all the good things, all the vitamins, including B12 in there. These are relatively affordable. I got them on iHerb from the same brand. I don't take these every day, but these are the calcium magnesium supplements. A lot of plant milks like oat milk are calcium fortified, so I only actually take these on days that I'm not drinking oat milk or not having a lot of leafy greens, just to kind of top up. Every other day I do take an iron supplement because I'm a person who menstruates and has periods and loses blood every month, so very common for women and people who menstruate to be a tiny bit low in iron. So for lunch today, I've got some leftover pizza, and it's not lost on me that I just talked about supplements. This is just realistic. This is what we have leftovers of, and I wanted to show what I'm really eating. Yeah, obviously we're gonna go grocery shopping and I'll show like what we're cooking and everything. So this is not something we eat every day or even every week, but it is what I'm having today because we have the leftovers. So since we've got nothing in the house, I've got the ultimate girl dinner with some leftover macaroni salad and just some veg and hummus. And honestly, pretty excited about it. Hello, it is Thursday today, yeah. We just got back from the gym and I'm gonna make myself a little protein shake. I wanted to show the protein powder I use. Good Protein, not sponsored, but I really love this protein powder, and I've actually tried a lot of protein powders and I usually hate them. I hate that like proteiny artificial taste. And this is the only one I've tried that I actually like. Like I actually really enjoy having this. One is the creamy vanilla flavor, but it's got a mix of pea protein and fava bean protein. It's lunchtime and I'm really hungry, and I couldn't be bothered to cook anything. So I've got the rest of the leftover macaroni salad and some snap peas, hummus, crackers, and some of this dairy-free boursin. If you've never tried it, I highly recommend. I've shared this with lots of people that are not vegan, and they told me that they can't tell the difference and they really like it. So. Good morning, it's Friday and I have today off work, which is very exciting. For breakfast, I thought I would make one of my favorite breakfasts lately, which is smoothie bowls. So I'll show you how I make it and what I put on top. It's really nice and sunny out today, so I'm excited to get out into the sun. Okay, I got my, oh my god. Hey, I got my, oh my god. This is more liquidy than I expected. What I was about to say is I've got my smoothie bowls ready to go, or the smoothie part of the smoothie bowl in the bowl. You have to trust me on that one. But I wanted to show you some of the things that I like to put on top of my smoothie bowl. So I've got half a banana that I'm gonna chop up. This is my favorite granola right now. It's the Nature's Path Love Crunch dark chocolate and red berries. Of course, it's vegan. Some cacao nibs. I don't know if you can read that. Shredded coconut. So I'm just gonna assemble them now and then I'll show you the final product so I don't spill it on camera again. Okay, there's my little smoothie bowl of the day. And I'm splitting this banana with my partner. So normally I would like to have more fruit in this, but that's all the fresh fruit I had. I'm really excited because this is gonna be delicious. Another day, another smoothie bowl. Good morning, it is Sunday today. Sorry I didn't really check in yesterday. I had a really busy day. I actually went to a really cool event I've been wanting to try for a really long time, which was a mermaid swim. I went to a mermaid meetup here in Vancouver and I got to try swimming with a mermaid tail, which was so cool. Just like living my childhood dreams. Maybe I'll find a clip and insert it here. but it was amazing. But it meant that I was kind of out all day and didn't have a chance to really like check in. But this morning we're gonna have one of our favorite kind of weekend breakfasts, kind of like an egg McMuffin. We love using the Just Egg folded egg, what do they call them? Folded plant egg, made from mung bean protein, which is pretty cool. But it actually really tastes eggy, and we really like the folded one. It has like a really nice texture, and honestly I think it's pretty similar to like a egg McMuffin style sandwich. Doesn't that look so tasty? I love these eggs so much. Hello again. So today is Mother's Day here in Canada, and I'm going to my parents later on for dinner, and I'm bringing dessert. And I found this new recipe that I've been really wanting to try. Passion fruit bars, like kind of like lemon squares, but with passion fruit. I love anything passion fruit flavor, so this is really up my alley. I'll show you which recipe I'm using. So I'm using this recipe from Veggykins, the passion fruit bars with shortbread crust. I'm not making it gluten-free, but this recipe is adapted for gluten-free as well if you're gluten-free. And now for the worst parts, clearing up everything. So enjoy this time lapse. For lunch, I've got a chickpea salad sandwich with some snap peas, some crackers, and vegan boursin, and some hummus. It's ready. I think it's pretty much set. I figured we've got to do a taste test for science purposes. So I'm gonna cut this up and try it out. I think it turned out pretty well. It seems to have set really well. Maybe the shortbread crust is a little bit thick. I think the pan that I used was a teensy bit smaller than the one they recommended in the recipe, but I love shortbread, so hopefully it's good. Very crumbly. That's yummy. The shortbread is like the first flavor you get, and then the passion fruit comes through afterwards. That's tasty. I think, yeah, if anything, I would make the shortbread crust a little bit thinner next time, so it's like more passion fruit to shortbread ratio, but This is really tasty. Recommend this recipe. I'll leave it down in the description if you want to try it out. Good morning. It is Monday. I completely forgot to film dinner last night because I was at my parents' for Mother's Day. It totally slipped my mind to pull out my camera. Just had barbecue hot dogs. So I'll put a picture here of the brand of vegan hot dogs that we like. We played some board games and that's about it. But today it's Monday, so it's a work day, and I'm just making a avocado English muffin for breakfast. Very simple. Okay, so it's a few hours later and I'm hungry again, so I've got myself a little bowl of coconut yogurt with some granola on top. And look at this little bowl. I made this in a pottery class last year, but I love it. For lunch, we've just got the leftover sweet potato, cauliflower, and broccoli curry that we had the other night with some rice. And for dinner tonight, super quick and easy, spaghetti and meatballs. Well, plant balls, of course. If you're looking for some vegan meatballs, I highly recommend these ones from IKEA, the plant balls. They're super delicious. They're the best tasting ones I've found, and also the best value that I've found. Highly recommend those if you haven't tried them, and super easy dinner tonight. Good morning. It is Tuesday and today's probably the last day that I'll film for this video. Last night I was actually organized and put together and I made myself some overnight oats for breakfast. So I've got some nice overnight oats. I've put some blueberries and some of my vanilla protein powder and obviously oats, hemp seeds, some maple syrup, and some oat milk. So I'm gonna enjoy these, and then I'm also going to prep my lunch as I'm going into the office for work today. And I'm just going to make a quick chickpea salad sandwich and a few snacks to bring for lunch today. So I just got home, had a bit of a long day, was at work a little bit late. My partner very kindly made some dinner. So we got some chickpea tikka masala curry and some rice. So I'm gonna go enjoy that. And I think I'm going to end the video there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some inspiration to implement some more plant-based meals into your diet. And please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye.